back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is a place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I'm going to share you about the how you can configure the Windows kiosk devices right through Microsoft Intune. So there is an article available, right? So you can read that article, but I just want to give some of the background information right about this. If you are having a plan to manage your Windows devices using the kiosk devices, right? Windows kiosk devices, especially useful for in airport or the restaurant type of organization, right? So first understand what is the kiosk. Kiosk devices are internal to modern business operation, particularly in retail, right, or manufacturing and the airline industry. And these devices serve as a dedicated terminal for a specific task, right, enhancing the efficiency and productivity. In retail, right, the kiosks are commonly used for the customer services functions such as self checkout, product information, order placement, and etc. So you can see all those kiosk devices placed in the supermarket as well, and they provide the seamless access and interactive end user experience for the customers, including like wait time, improving satisfaction in manufacturing and factory settings. Kiosk devices are utilized for various operational purposes, including inventory management, allowing workers to quickly check stock levels and update records in real time as well. So these are actually uh, these are actually the users type for the kiosk devices. From the technological standpoints, right, so these managing these kiosk devices is crucial, right? uh, their functionality and security as there in the uh, but as a Microsoft allow us to uh, allow all those organizations to centrally control and manage their kiosk devices. And with Intune, being as an Intune admin, can centrally manage and remotely configure the kiosk devices setting and deploy application, enforce the security policy to reduce the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. So why we want to manage those kiosk devices, we being as a Intune admin or organizations, they, if you if you manage and deploy the policy or enforce the um, security policy or deploy applications, the centralized management approach using Intune not only enhance the reliability of the kiosk devices, but it will also ensure the compliance and organization policies and regulations as well. So, as I mentioned, the self-service kiosk mostly widely used at retail shop, airport, and restaurants. This is the it has the many advantages that improve the passenger experience and operational efficiency. This will also reduce wait time by allowing passengers to check in, select seats, and print boarding pass quickly and conveniently, which is especially beneficial during peak travel time, right? So the self-ordering kiosk in restaurants reduce the wait time and speed up the ordering process. These two examples are uh, they mention like airport and restaurant, but you this can be also used by the cashier uh, in retail shops or restaurant, as I mentioned, right? So how we can, like, here they have mentioned kiosk devices provisioning scenario, right, using Windows Autopilot. Imagine you can imagine a busy pizza delivery restaurant, like already know, that strives to deliver a seamless order experience for its customer while streamlining staff operation. The restaurant equips its table and waiting area with userless Windows devices, each configured to meet the biller requirement. The devices are userless, eliminating the need for individual users to log in before placing order. They are configured to display the restaurant website exclusively, sorry for that, with restrictions on accessing any other URL or opening any other browser tab or application. If the device remain inactive during a session, the browser should automatically refresh and redirect the home page to the home page. So it's ensuring that it prepare for the next customer. So being as a IT admin, we can deploy the autopilot self-deploying mode, right? And how you can do that? Let's go to the scenario, and let's go to the Microsoft Intune portal and go to the devices, since we are talking about Windows devices. So let's go to iOS Windows devices and click on policies and create a new policy, right? So if you select the policies Windows 10 and later, and here you can select the template, right? So once you select the template, you will see the kiosk devices right here. This is the kiosk profile, but before that you have to enroll your devices. I have already made video how to configure Windows Autopilot with hybrid join or fully cloud. So I'm just giving name window kiosk devices, right? You can give any name and select the kiosk mode, the single app mode. So if you select the single app mode, only one applications will be available for on the interface, right? So it will be full screen kiosk, right? If you want to show multi-app, you can select the multi-app. I would prefer to select the single app mode, and user logon type you can say select the user local account entra and auto logon. So depend on your requirement, you can select the intra users group. So I'm just selecting intra users group. You can add here users. Suppose I am selecting this one, so this user will be login, right? Application type, which application you want to configure, like kiosk browser, is legacy or edge browser. So I am just selecting kiosk browser. Default home page, you can give any home button you want to show, navigate button, end session, right? So this you can configure it. Refresh browser ideal time, right? So I'm selecting 1 minute. Allow websites, right? You want to, by default user can access all the website from the Microsoft kiosk browser. To restrict access to a specific set of sites, you can upload a CSV file with the 500 URL, and then user will only access to those URL. So let's I don't want to, I just for now, but if you have any URL, you can upload this URL CSV file. Select specify maintenance windows for app restart. Yeah, of course, maintenance windows time you can select daily or weekly or monthly, right? Based on the suppose I am selecting uh, monthly on 15th. Okay, so this is a date I should select, so I am selecting this one. Okay, timing you can select, and you can apply to all the devices or all the users. And then here you see the rule assign profile. Click next, create, and you are done. Create these configurations, right? So, and once the user will log on, right? So like auto login, right? The user don't need to manually sign in, right? So I will show you what where actually we have set the auto login. So here if you select the auto login, user don't need to sign in with any credential, it will log in with this credential, right? So by config the auto login process actually uses the kiosk users account and cannot be changed, right? So all these you can set as soon as the user will this is the screenshot that show the user experience in on the Windows devices with a single app kiosk mode. So as you can see here, the user does not have the options to home button visible in the browser and is restricted from any additional tab. So as I mentioned, you can disable hide the home button, navigation button, end session, and refresh time you can select 15 minutes as well, right? And save it. Depend on your choice, so user will see this screenshot like this. So there is no home button, navigation button. the end user will see like this one and they can operate. You can set any applications in your browser. This is the one example how actually Intune assist in the management of kiosk devices in various industries, like as I mentioned, the airport, retail, hotel, restaurant, right? So you can apply this policy single app mode with the full screen kiosk or with multi-app mode. Try this. You'll love you'll love this kiosk mode if you are in those industry. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.